Okay, quick video, done this before. If you have your muffler break off at the flange, like this one here, an easy fix that you can do, because this can be quite costly, which would probably require a new muffler. So now what you can do is basically go to your auto parts store, get a sleeve like this, measure what your inner diameter is, and I got to clean this one up to get this one to fit, but it should be a nice snug fit. Stick that in there. If it's in there tight, you could probably just leave it like that. I sometimes like to use some sort of stainless steel screw. I think I have a screw hole already there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a hole right there already that I made from a previous repair. It lasts a few years, you know. And then this piece, because it's the lesser of the quality material metal, will rot out. So, there it goes. There you go. This one just rotted out. So I think this was like 3 or 4 years. You know, this used to be that, and now it turned into this. It corroded from the top side, and the exhaust got a little loud. So I'm just gonna replace it with a new piece here. $5. I'm down the road. Good to go. Hope this helped out, gave somebody an idea. Like and subscribe, please, so I could be stimulated to make some more of these videos. All right, peace.